The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Non-farm payroll day. Good morning, Mr. G. Hope you're having a good day so far. Let's check out the market, shall we? Falling some more. Just a major fall over the last few days and still continuing that trend overnight. Yes, 47.36 half for the high. It's low. 47.11, so about 25 points in range. And Q, 469 for the high. 367 for the low. About 102 points in range there. Kappa, about mid-range. Only about 80 ticks of range there. Gold, about 12 points of range. Ultra Bond, been coming down. Looks like about a point and a half of range there. Nice fall overnight. Crude oil, ooh, crude just blew up. New high day there. Looks like we have about a little over a point range. And natural gas been coming down. Bitcoin sitting around just under 40,000. So that's where we should stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. And Q pulling back here as well. We have non-farm payroll. Let's see if there's any other news on the agenda for today. Excuse me, didn't mean to yawn in everybody's ear. Just a bunch of labor stuff coming up at 8:30 with non-farm payrolls. And then at 10 o'clock, U.S. ISM Services PMI and U.S. Factory Orders PMI. Anyway, trading later in the day, there's a Fed speaker at 1:30. Nice move down there. Continuing down, we're in the red on the RSI. Blue candle. Trying to bounce back up here. Long here off that blue candle. 4 contracts. I'm on a larger Topstep account now, so I'm using more contracts. A little bit iffy because we're so close to both EMAs there. Doesn't seem to want to go. Oh, ended up being a doji there coming back down on me. See, they're just trying to pop back up though. Oh, ouch. Yeah, it's going to stop me out. Maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, stop me out there. My fault for taking that blue candle too close to the EMAs. Damn it. Quiet morning, guys. Where's everybody? Oh, yeah, where's my phone? I'm having problems keeping track of my phone lately. There we go. Popping back up. So if I use the swing low there, it would still be in this trade. Oh. Let's see if it gives us anything else before NFP. Hey, John, good morning. Missed you yesterday. Hey, John C., welcome. Good to see you. And here goes NQ up now. So up, back down, then back up. David Kirshner, welcome. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. Oh, that's okay. Nothing to be sorry about. I took a buy and got stopped out. I took a buy off this blue candle and then I got stopped out. And then it decided to go. Good. I'm glad you got something. I should have went back in with that second blue candle. You see, this would have got me my money back. But get the next one. Non-farm payrolls coming up in about 17 minutes. John, are you still trading Topstep? John DeFore. Did you see Topstep's sale? Half off? Wasn't sure if you've seen that sale or not. Wasn't sure if you're looking for any more Topstep accounts. But right now it's a one-time use, so it's only for one account. But you could get a 50K for 24 bucks, 100K for 49, or 150K for 74. Yeah, they're working on fixing that. DFT, that depends. If you go with Rhythmic with both of them, then you would need to be able. I mean, you could run one on NinjaTrader, the regular NinjaTrader platform, and like one on a different platform or the web version of NinjaTrader. But if you went with like Tradovate with one and Ninja and Rhythmic on the other, then you wouldn't need to jump through any hoops. Look at this rise up here now. I got stopped up and stopped out, and then it nicely rose up. So here, while we're in a holding pattern, while I missed the trade that I should have taken, let me run that Topstep promo real quick. If I can find my trading software. There we go. 2023 saw Topstep once again reclaim its spot at the top of the futures trading prop firms, and now There is no reason for you not to try them out if you haven't, or even if you have, because Topstep wants you to become a funded trader with them in 2024 and has an insane offer. 2 days only get 50% off their already low prices, but it's a one-time use code. So decide if you want a 50K for $24, 100K for $49, or 150K for $74. Get in with me, become a Topstep trader. Use code New Year 2024, link and the code down in the video description below. Join me as a Topstep trader and become a Topstep funded trader for 2024. Shrewdaggle. See, you subscribed 15 minutes or so ago. Welcome to the stream. Feel free to say hi and introduce yourself if you want, but no pressure. As we see this rise up, I should have taken this blue candle, but I get a little skittish after getting stopped out, and I need to stop that. Nice rise up here. Wish I had been part of it. Hey, Karim, how you been? All right, trying to rise back up here before NFP, 10 minutes away. Ultra bond opening here in a minute. Dipped down right before it did, or does. A little bit of a dip there, but let's see, where were we at? A How's your trading been going, Carib? Hey, JC, good morning. How's it going today? I'm doing all right. Taking a short off that purple candle. 2 contracts with about 7 minutes to go before non-farm payrolls. Pausing at 408. There we go, 407. Okay, we hit target with one. I have a second target at 10 points. For the other one, I think I'm just gonna let's see. I'm gonna take it off there. So ended up being a $175 trade. Got a little bit back from my loss earlier. I I got a 150K account with Topstep yesterday uh, because of the sale, and I also oddly they let me get commission on my own own account. So I'm trading a 150K account, and I'm trying to trade it a bit more aggressively with a bit more contracts. So that's why you're seeing me do 2 or 3 or 4 contracts here. Plus, I know I have a reset coming from the Topstep fire drill the other day. So, uh, what do you mean the best engulfing candle? I'm not sure exactly what you mean by that. For me, for my engulfings are the purple and blue candles. I'm looking for blue candles that are coming up out of the bottom bands, purple candles that are coming out of the top bands, or I'm looking for blue candles that are above the 20 EMA and above my signal line, or purple that are the opposite, below the signal line, below the 20. Uh, the ones so I started with 2 different ones. Uh, Golfing Candles Detector by Dave Att, and Bullish and Bearish in Golfing by ZZ Buy, but someone was nice enough to mash them together for me where I have kind of my own that I'm using. I really need to get someone to clean up that one I use and maybe publish it. I haven't published it. I need someone. The person that did it kind of in a sloppy way, so I need to get somebody else to look at the Pine script and clean it up a little bit, and maybe I can get it published. Someone else had asked for it last month, and I haven't gotten around to it, but maybe I can do that. I'll need to make sure I attribute the original authors of the original scripts too. I don't want anyone to think I'm stealing code. I'll see if I can get any progress on that done this weekend. We are less than 3 minutes to non-farm payrolls. Places, everybody. So my thought is down for NFP, but we'll see. Are you down with NFP? Yeah, you know me. Do want to thank everyone for being here. While you wait this next minute for NFP, if you appreciate if you would hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the stream. Hey, Robin, good morning. Apex funded is still just slightly down by like $100. Doing all right. How are you today? Okay, 2 seconds. Non-farm. Whoosh! Well, it's right. And I thought about taking a short there, and I wish I had. 50 points down. Wow. Whoa. I came all the way back. 407 down to 355, back up to 426, and back down to 366. Gold, big fall as well. Gold's down. I can't read the numbers. 10 points, 11 points. NQ continuing to fall. What were the numbers? What were the numbers? Unemployment rate 3.7%. They expected 3.8. And I can't find the actual non-farm payrolls. Here we go. U.S. non-farm payrolls actual 216K, forecast was 175K. That is a huge beat. Look at the market fall. New lows a day, I believe. Yep. New low a day. Oh yeah, look at the dollar there. That's the DXY. Big move up. You see, and Q is now down 67 points. I wish I had played this. Crude, didn't care. Ultra bond. New low a day there as well. Big move down over a full point. Gold, you see new lows by a lot. Copper also heading down. And Q trying to come back up. And Q trying to pop back up there. We're getting beaten down. ES down by 14 points. Dow down by 100. Morning, Sid. How are you today? I heard something. And and Rothable. And I apologize if I mispronounced that. Welcome to the stream. I see you just subscribed. Feel free to say hello in the chat, but no pressure. I would include CPI on that list there, John, as well. You're actually chillier than I am, I believe. Sid, let me check. Oh, no, you're not. I'm 24 here. So nice pop back up. I should have taken that. I say that too often. Excuse me 1 second. I is back. ES. Ooh, look at this. Right back down on NQ and ES. So positive economic numbers, why did it go down? Well, positive economic numbers scare the market, thinking that the Fed is not going to lower interest rates quick or as fast because the economy still seems kind of hot. So we'll wait for our next opportunity. You know, I felt like it was going to be a short, and I should have went with my gut. Anybody else play or anybody play non-farm payrolls or the bounce after? Nice, Carib. Nice job, Robin. Excellent. Hey, Beans, how you doing? Hey, JJR. Excellent. Going long here off that blue candle. I'm a little late, but we'll see. There we go. Boom. Come on, continue up just a little bit more. Really? Come on. There we go. Now, come on. There we go. First target hit. That's a $200 profit. Moving my stop to break even on the second one. Which means you can't see my profit, but just gonna get out on that one now. So we got 140 and 200. So that was a $340 trade. Two contracts. I need to just stick to my plan and just let it go to see what happens. And because you can see, this is probably going to get my secondary target is 20 points, which would have been 72. So we'll see if it would have got there if I wouldn't have interfered. We are back to green on the day by $71. Yep, there it is. Again, I interfered with my own trade. I should have just taken the chance, either let it go to break even stop or to target. It went to target. That could have been a total of a $600 trade. I mean, it still was a $340 trade, but I just cost myself an extra 200 bucks. Yeah, I didn't cost myself anything, but I didn't get the full profit that I could have if I had followed the plan. And we're still rising up here. It's another blue candle right below the 100 EMA though, so I'm a little bit cautious of those. Nice blue candle, actually. It's a 21-point candle, so it's gained about half of what it's lost from non-farm payroll. Like all the algos are like, that news was terrible. Oh my God, wait a minute, that news was okay. Again, I still fight the whole feeling. To me, and I've said this before, having a trade that goes in the profit and then comes back and stops out at break even or comes back for a loss, for me is a worse feeling than entering a trade and it just immediately going against me and stopping me out. It's like seeing that profit that I could have had go away and I gotta defeat that feeling because that was what happened there. I didn't want that to go back to, even though my plan was put it break even, let it go. I didn't follow through on it. My cat rearranged my desk last night, and it's still kind of off. And I have a Band-Aid on my mouse finger. These are all a little off this morning. I almost thought I might not be able to trade today. Yesterday, all of a sudden in the afternoon, my mouse started going haywire. Started auto scrolling. Anytime I had my mouse on a trading view window, it would just go all the way to the side. I couldn't see any candles. It wasn't doing it on like browser windows, but it did it on other windows too. Rebooted, tried everything. Finally, I ended up pulling the Bluetooth dongle out of the back of the computer and putting in another USB port, and that fixed it. So we are about 42 minutes till the bell. Eventful morning so far. Now, the one thing I hate about trading multiple contracts is that I end up losing track of how many trades I've actually taken because they often break them down as more than one trade. Excellent job, JJR. Great job. Are you continuing to trade? Are you going to try and get to the consistency rule limit there, JJR, or are you calling it a day? Hey, Phoenix, how you doing? Happy New Year to you as well. By the way, folks, I didn't get the chance to do a promo video on it because I found it like at 11:30 last night. But Bulenox has price matched Apex. I'm sorry, not Apex. Price matched Topstep. And right now you can get 50K accounts for 22 hours 75 cents or 100Ks for 46.50. The link and codes are down in the video description, and they're not just eliminating it. Yeah, easy for me to say. They're not limiting it to just one. You can get multiple accounts if you want for that price. I don't know how long that sale's going to last. The Top Step sale ends at the end of day today, so I'm going to assume Bulenox is going to end at the end of the day as well. But these are great prices, obviously. So, Phoenix. This for Bulenox, it's both the intraday and end of day accounts on that sale. But it's different codes for each size. So MOT 50K for the 50K, MOT 100K for the 100K, etc. And the link is in the video description if you want to use my affiliate code. I appreciate it. Nightbot's been posting it as well somewhere. NQ heading up here, continuing, but has not yet got through that 100 EMA. I could have got 10 points off this blue candle though, but I was talking about Bulenox. So right now it's a great time to be a futures prop trader with these Topstep and Bulenox sell going. Apex is back down to 71%. Even that's good. We're breaking through that 100 EMA here now. Best part of breaking through. Oh. And gold's also recovered almost all of its losses from the NFP dip. Ultra bonds bounding up as well. This has been a great entry here in the ultra bond. Pulling back a bit. Ooh, ouch. Yeah, just take it slow. Nice rise back up here. So NFP candles started at 406 half, and Q's gotten back up to 400. Yeah, I'm not sure how many contracts you normally trade with JJR, but definitely size down and take little bites if you can. If you take more than one contract normally, just go down to one contract. If you take only one contract, maybe slip down to 5 micros. Just try and take little bites to come back up. Mm. I've had days like that. And in fact, yesterday was a lot like that for me as well. Started off well. Didn't end well. Pulls back a little bit. That red candle there would have been. So I might try something starting next week that might make the stream a little less interesting, but might improve my trading. And just having my NQ window up most of the time, so I'm more in tune to what it's doing and taking the. It just, it's not that I can't concentrate, but it just when it's part of an array of charts, it's less easy to just hone in on. Nice bounce back. Market's kind of taking a breath here, sideways over the last few minutes. Just under 16,400 and just about at the top of the hour. Wow, look at crude here. The crude blew up there. That's a kind of a surprise. It's pulling back a bit. And with that little burst up there, NQ has now gotten everything back that it lost from non-farm payrolls. ES and the Dow have done the same, as has gold. That's a nice little rebound. This might be an up day. End up being an up day. We'll see. Still rise. Oh, there's a pullback. Just as I was about to say, still rising. It whips down by 10 points. 15 points, actually. Damn it. Ultra Bond also slowly grinding back up here. That was a blue candle, but it only ended up being a blue candle in the last second, or else I would have tried to grab it, but I wasn't fast enough. Everybody got kind of quiet all at once. Y'all want the Topstep TV, didn't you? I use y'all a lot. I'm not sure why. I'm not from the South. I'm just kidding around, JJ. I don't expect everyone to talk. No one ever should feel the need to talk. It's just weird that when the chat's like really active and it's like it just all dies at once. And Q sitting around 418. Overnight high on NQ was 469. ES is getting kind of close though. ES 47.36. It's at about 10 points away. It's continuing to trend upward here. Still rising. I don't call it a comeback, but it really did come back from that NFP. ATR's at about 11. A little bit of a pullback here. Small purple candle. We are about 21 minutes till the bell. Very small purple candle. That was a 2-point candle. Small purple candle would have worked for at least 5. Nice, JJR. Digging out a hole is hard. See where we go here. Right now, it's not giving me any signals, but I think they're heading down. Down, down, down in a burning ring of NQ. Sorry, that was stupid. Blue candles. Trying to convince me it wants to go up. I don't like floating blue candles though. What do I mean by floating? Nowhere near the bands, nowhere near the EMAs, just kind of there. We're kind of just sideways here, so we're not falling for it. Just kind of stay vigilant and wait for our next trade, which may be after the bell. We're less than 15 minutes away. Blue candle again, it's floating. Kind of watching this. It would have been a good candle to take. Ended up being a 10-point candle. All right, let's continue and try and rise up. So, like I said, I thought it looked like it wanted to come down, but because I didn't get the right triggers, I didn't go that way, and obviously that ended up being a good decision. little bit of a pullback there as they hit the bands. Good morning, Ace. How's Ace doing today? Awesome, Phoenix. I'm doing pretty good. You hear anything back from RJ, Ace? Oh, well, we don't need to hear back from RJ, and we can cancel putting him on a milk cart. We were talking about you yesterday, worried that you might have gone missing or decided to retire from trading, and we're just gonna lay on the beach all day, even in the winter. How are your holidays, RJ? Yeah, we are also worried that maybe Seth had kidnapped you. Nothing to report. What a way to make a holiday sound boring. Oh, hey, Jay. Nice to see you. Happy New Year. How are you doing, my friend? How was Romania? Oh, that sucks, RJ. We're about 7 minutes till the bell. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button. While we're in this little slow period, let's run the Topstep ad. 2023 saw Topstep once again reclaim its spot at the top of the futures trading prop firms, and now there is no reason for you not to try them out if you haven't, or even if you have, because Topstep wants you to become a funded trader with them in 2024 and has an insane offer. Today's only get 50% off their already low prices, but it's a one-time use code. So decide if you want a 50K for $24, 100K for $49, or 150K for $74. Get in with me, become a Topstep trader. Use code New Year 2024 link and the code down in the video description below. Join me as a Topstep trader and become a Topstep funded trader for 2024. Jay, do you ever come back to the States to visit family or anything? Yeah, I didn't think about that. Except Ace, you don't tell anyone where you live, so like he would have to like travel the entire Rocky Mountains hoping it comes across your house. Pulling back here a bit. Hey, Nicholas, how you doing? Seen a couple names that I haven't seen in a while. Oh, that's cool. I like it when say hi once in a while. Rising back up here, just continuing to head upwards. Will we gain back some of our losses from the last week or so? Will this be a up day? Less than a minute to go. Kids looking forward to going back to school on Mondays. You know, I've never had eggnog. Think we come down here to bell, but I've been wrong before. Ding, 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 ding. Nope, I dinged early. Oops, I'm sorry. Ding, 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 ding. Misread my screen. I hate premature dinging. Pulls back a little bit, but now back to green. Continuing to rise up here, up to 459. It's been it's been down big time so far, Jay. Hey, ETC, ready to work? Apex is a great company. I would fit they're in my top 3. I am funded with Apex, actually. Purple candle pullback. It didn't hold. Honestly, Topstep's probably my #1 firm now, but Apex is #2 or #3. You're very welcome. Nice, Phoenix. Oh, blue candle continuing up. About to hit that overnight high. Just touched it and through it for now. Up to 475. ES not quite at its overnight high yet, which was 36.5. Hit that and now pulling back. Dow, red candle here, but trying to fight back to green. Ace is long. Struggling a bit here though. Can't get through 475 yet. Still trying. Bless its heart. Still rising now. There we go. Now it's broken up toward 480. ES popping. Ace didn't tell us his entry, but I'm going to assume he has his 2 points. There's a little red candle from Pasadena. I should have taken that little red candle. That's definitely in my plan candle. We were 95, 93 in the RSI. Should have taken it. Nice, Ace. I guess maybe it wouldn't have been that great to take. There we go. Right back up. So I saved myself. Well, bursting up here. Trying to head up to that level that RJ spoke of, 511. Oh yeah, that's true, Ace. Because you're usually pretty conservative on a Friday, so I assume you're done. Everybody else still in bed, Ace? Ooh, I like this purple candle if it stays. It did not stay. You don't have heat in the war room, Ace? Oh yeah, I prefer sleeping in the cold myself. I'd much rather be a little bit chilly than a little bit too hot. And because I'm huge, I have a lot of natural insulation. Yeah, and they say that's healthier for you too, Ace. Ah, there's our drop. Drop down to 472. It not really sustaining. There we go. Now we're sustaining the drop. Big drop. Pulls down. So this is where I gotta start taking my trades. This candle here, even if it wasn't a purple candle, it was still my trigger candle. And you can see this is dropped from 485 down to 448, so almost a 40-point drop. The 3 actually set up even better. We have some more news coming up at the top of the hour. Just remembered that. We have US ISM services PMI coming up at the top of the hour and US factory orders. So keep yourself, keep that in mind as we head toward the top of the hour. Dollar coming down. Oh yeah, look at that. So that dollar spiked up on NFP and then just whoosh. Bitcoin also coming down. See what everything else is doing here. Crude made a new high today and then pulled back. Ultra bond. Yeah. Ultra bond's not really been giving many good moves so far in the new year. Gold made a new high today and then pulled back. Yeah, Ultra bond, I've been looking at the Ultra bond. Seems like it's been just a bit choppy for most of the morning sessions lately. This week, I should say. Eastbound and down. You say Bandit, and I immediately think Smokey and the Bandit. The last time I started singing the Smokey and the Bandit song, Ace yelled at me for putting it in his head. Eastbound and down, we'll load it up and truckin'. We're gonna do what they say can't be done. Now Ace is gonna have that song in his head all weekend. The late great Jerry Reed, singer of that song. Purple candle coming down. We're below a signal line, but we're not below the 20 yet. Yeah, yep. He was in the movie. He was driving the truck. With his dog riding shotgun. Been a long time since I watched that movie. Mm, yeah. There's beer in Texarkana. Big blue candle back up here. It's a 12-point candle, 13. Riding up. 15 minutes to the top of the hour. That's what obstetricians say. Need that push. We had one drop of them. We got the bounce back up. And Q doesn't want to die today. There's a slight pullback. Me hitting the mic again. Sorry about that. Market's not giving me direction right now. What did agriculture do today? Ooh, agriculture is kind of down today. Ooh, I wish I had seen that on wheat though. That would have been a nice grab on wheat. Wheat grab. I won't be seeing anything wheat based for the next 9 months. Less than 10 minutes now to the top of the hour and those next news reports. It's like next week. Oh, wait. Next Thursday is CPI. They're doing it early this month. Next Friday is PPI. It's unusual for them to do it on a Friday. Russell. Haven't looked at the Russell. Let's see. Nice. No. Highest we got has been 495 half. Hey, Secret, how you doing? Still in your gold shorts? That sounds weird, like you're wearing shorts made of gold. I'm doing well, thank you. Good. He's still trying to push up here. Can it get up to that 511 that RJ called earlier and then seemed to disappear? Decided to go back to bed, I think. Or he's laying out on the beach in Canada. Just hanging here under 500, 16,500. A little over 5 minutes till news. Oh, excellent. So, he's just concentrating on trading. What a thought. What a concept. We're all thinking of 511. Ultra bond, it's creeping up. Ooh, here's the pullback. Not breaking that 20 though. Now it is. We're going short. Because why not? Oh, I should not have gone short. Went with 2 contracts, 10-point stop. Yeah, I shouldn't have chased that. Got in 4 points late. I would not be in. If I got in right off that purple candle instead of hesitating, I would be in profit right now. But we'll see. There we go. Yep, 3 minutes till news. So I'm going to have to get out of this trade before the news. I'm not going to hold. Whoa! There we go. Quick burst down there. And I'm just going to take the profit on the other one. I had two targets there, but because of news. So that was a nice trade. $290 profit there. We are now up 353 on the day. All right, G. Good luck on that. Thank you, John. One minute till news. Yeah, ETC. John DeFore was the first one that called me MOT or MOT. And at first I was confused, like, why is he calling me that? And then I realized it was MightyOxTrading. It took me a minute, but yeah, I like it. I actually use it for a lot of my promo codes now for my affiliate programs. Boom! Glad I got out of that trade. Pops up by about 18 points on that news. Great job, John. Got to get rid of that 9 to 5. There, we just hit 16,500 on NQ. 503 now. Yep, John, you were number one. I was like, not. It took me a few minutes. Oh yeah, gold burst up there as well. Boom. So close to RJ's 511 here. We're at 507. Seems to be shying away. Well, oil just kind of continuing the rise here. New high day. Up to 74. Honestly, I'm surprised oil's not higher with everything going. Oh, there we go. We hit 511 and blew through it on NQ. I'm surprised oil's not higher with everything going on in the Middle East. So another great call by RJ on his levels. Nice, Phoenix. Nice, Sid. Were those on futures or stocks? Great job, Phoenix. Still rising up here to 524. These are the hourly candles. You can see that NQ's gained back about half of its losses from yesterday. Well, they miss you, Sid. $537 now. So let's go see what those numbers were. US ISM services PMI 50.6, expected was 52.5, so that was a pretty big miss. But US factory orders month over month 2.6, they expected 2.4. That was a good beat. Yeah, I'm just kidding, Sid. Obviously, trade what you're most comfortable with. Everything you can see, everything is green right now. With all the big companies here. This is basically the 7 big companies: Apple, Tesla, Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Nvidia. So I'm probably missing something here, but they're all happy right now. I thank you all for being here, Phoenix. We have a great community here and on the Discord. Pull back here, though. So our high got to 545. It doesn't seem, I mean, we're showing a little bit of red here, but it's not falling fast by any means. So we're not playing that reversal at all. Not at all, I say. JJR, are you still here? Have you made any more progress on that account? Sounds like RJ's up big today. His first day trading for 2024 seemed to be a good one. Excellent. Great job. Yeah. I know one of Sid's favorites is Apple. It's the Apple 5-minute chart. This would have been a short for me right here. I would have liked that. 42 cents down. See if the 1-minute chart's any better though. Yeah, blue candle there would have been a nice upward momentum. Purple candle coming out of the bands and in the green here. So that would have been good. Although that wick back up might have stopped me out. That would have sucked actually. And it's bounced off the 100 EMA back up. I don't know. Stocks are just, if I ever get in stocks, it ain't gonna be the day trade. It's gonna be long-term investing, dividend type things. Oh, I remember that show. Wow, that's a roller coaster, JJR. Yeah, see, and Enki's not giving it up here. Well, none of them are. Still heading up. Buyers finally showed up in the 2024. 555 has been the high on NQ. Kind of sideways here, up and down. Just hanging here. Email, okay. Uh, oh, there it is. ETC, do you mind if I answer you here instead of hitting reply on the email? Okay, so I'm still a struggling trader myself. So no, I don't offer any type of courses or memberships or training or anything like that. And even if I was the most successful trader in the world, I wouldn't ever offer a paid course. But there's a lot of good learning that can be done here and in my Discord. There's a lot of good traders. We learn from each other. My main issue is that my struggle is my psychology and not that I don't know how to trade. It's just that I'm fighting through. So no, I don't have any courses, but if you stay part of this community, if you join the Discord, there's a lot to learn from the people here. And you know, always feel free to ask questions in when you're in here. People do not mind answering. I don't mind answering. People will chime in with their thoughts. And like I said, the Discord, if you're a Discord user, it's also great. You know, we're seeing more activity there. And I want to start some stuff there where people post a trade that they've taken and why they've taken it, and you know explaining why they took the trade and how it turned out, both winners and losers, so people can see both sides, things like that. So I'm trying hard to make the Discord a place of learning as well. We're pulling back slightly here now. We got up to, I believe, 555 half. So we pulled back by about 25 points, 30, almost 30 points. Ace Kid's around, but Ace is one of our best traders. It's very rarely that his family goes without eating. Oh, now we're really dropping down to 525. This is a great community, no judgment zones. Right now and then we have a debate. Every now and then we have a debate about Canadian law enforcement. But it's a lot to learn from each other. Everybody respects one another. As we pull down here. How long have you been trading ETC? And when did you start? Did you start with futures or did you trade anything else before futures? Cool. Now, okay, so I'm going to be asking a bunch of questions here, possibly. Are you doing prop firms or are you doing your own? Are you own brokerage account, own money? I'm short here off the purple candle on the 3-minute chart. 2 contracts, so I might just give back my profit here. We'll see. Okay, it's bouncing on me. So how have you been doing in the demo? Have you been doing well? Have you developed a strategy you like yet, or purple candle coming down for me here? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yep. I don't like those band. Ooh, yep, bounced up. It's gonna knock me out. So we're stopped out. Get back my profit on the day. Demo doesn't provide the same emotions, and that's why. Um, my thought is, okay, there's people here that hate props. There's people here that love props. We have a lot of prop traders. I'm a prop trader. Get yourself a cheap uh, evaluation with a prop, so there's something on the line, so it gives you more of those emotions, and then try and that way you're practicing with something that's really cheap. Like right now, Bulenox has $23 evals. Topstep is a $24 eval, and then you're getting to practice. Um, what assets are you trading when you're on demo or live or whatever? Which do you what do you like to trade? Okay, those are good. Interesting though that you go with micros, which is good. Starting with micros is good, but then you're also going with UB, which doesn't have a micro and has the highest tick value of anything. Um, so, oh wow, the Ultra Bond shot up there. Speaking of UB, have you heard of Canadian Futures Trader (ETC)? Okay, well, he's a good friend of mine. He's on the Discord. He has his own YouTube channel and his own website, and he's a UB god. He only mostly only trades UB, and he has a free course up on his website. I'm going to link here for you, so you can check out. Now he doesn't use charts. He uses the Dome or Dom price ladder, whatever you want to call it, to trade. So it might be just be something you might want to check out. He's a great guy, great friend of mine, and a great trader. I missed this blue candle bounce right here. This was my entry. You can see I could have got my money back. Like I said, he has his own YouTube channel as well, where he sometimes, every now and then, he'll do a live stream. He hasn't in the last couple of weeks, but he has some other videos of him trading the Ultra Bond with the way he trades. And bouncing back up. Now, where did RJ say we might bounce at? Wow. Look at that. RJ wheel is amazing. He said 511 could become a support, and look where we bounced on NQ. 511 quarter. Right back up. RJ, take a bow. Yes, it is, RJ, but next time send somebody a message that you're going to be missing. Ooh, that video there talks about trades by Matt and Patrick Wheeland. Yeah, I'll watch the rest of it here after stream. I just took a quick gander at it. So market's just kind of hanging here around 16,537. We have about a half an hour left to go in the stream. Right now we're slightly red on the day. A bad decision on my part. Pop it back up. Oh, by the way, ETC, the other advice I have for you is if you look around the internet, never buy a trading course from anybody. If anyone's trying to sell something, it's probably not that great. It means they're not that great of a trader. I'm long here. Boom. First target hit. We're gonna get out there. So there we go. We're back to green. 200 on one. Don't know what I got on the other. Hold on. Did I get 200 on both? I can't tell. Well, I can look here. I'm an idiot. I can't look here. It's cut off. Well, let's just look where my profit's at. We're up 216.48 now. Let's look. It was a $290 win on that. Secret, there's people here that like ICT. It's so I'm not going to call it garbage. There's people that have profited well from it. So this might be another case of me getting out too early. I got to stop that. As you can see, it's continuing to go up. I was in at 545. Hit target number one at 10 points, and the second target would have been 20 points. So that would have been at 565. We'll see if it gets there. Got it to 62. No, you didn't offend anybody's secret. You're fine. I hesitate to call anything garbage that I know that there's people that like ICT that aren't part of the cult like atmosphere around ICT. Well, do you have a strategy of what your entry should be, etc? I don't. Do you just doubt yourself and then get in late, or it takes a lot? Don't put yourself down. It takes a lot to risk, and something you do need to learn, but it takes a while. And I have a hesitancy to do that. I have a tendency to do that as well. Is like, like say on this blue candle here, I'll like want to see a definite next candle go green. I should just enter, you know, without even thinking. When I see a blue candle coming up off the bands, that fits my strategy. I should just enter. But sometimes I'm like, I'll hesitate, wait to see that the next candle is starting green, and thus I end up getting in 2 or 3 points late, and that can be all the difference in the world. I would just etc for something that has a micro like MES. To start combating that, not on a demo account, but on either whether it's a prop firm account or an account with real money. Just take your trades with one MES, because one MES is not going to hurt you. It's not going to blow your account if it goes wrong or whatever. And try and use that to build your confidence. Even if you're only making $10 a trade or $5 a trade, whatever your target is, that can help build your confidence. And then once you're feeling confident there, scale up do 2 micros and then do 4 or whatever, and to build that confidence in your strategy. And don't insult yourself. Seriously, this takes time. Every trader that's worth anything is going to tell you that they probably uh, lost money or didn't make any money for the first year or 2 years or whatever. Pulling back just a tad here. Ace and RJ will tell you that they didn't make any money in their first couple years of trading. Sid Chase, who is a multimillionaire in many different things, real estate and other businesses, when he struggled when he first started trading. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that, Phoenix. So you're starting 2024 off well. uh, And that's another thing this community does really well because you can really get down on yourself. People have heard me here on stream. One time I blurted out how I hate trading. I've come close to quitting dozens of times, and this community has supported me into keeping me in the game. Plus, people know my address, and I think if I actually tried to totally quit, they would like show up at my door. And that purple candle actually was in my wheelhouse, but I kind of was trying not to picture Sid naked, so I kind of missed it. So real quickly, once again, if I can find myself, Bulenox price matched Apex 50K account for like 22.75, code MOT 50K, 100K account for like 46 and a half, MOT 100K. You have up to 11 accounts of Bulenox. The link is in the video description below or being posted by Nightbot occasionally here. I'm thinking this will be the only day for this sale because the Topstep sale, their price matching ends at the end of the day. But if you're interested in getting some accounts, it's a great deal. Popping up with a blue candle here, it's kind of iffy. Um, oops. Of course, we have the Topstep account where you can only get one, but that's a great deal as well. Excuse me 1 second. Excellent, JJR. So I'm curious, JJR, uh, are you scalping? Like little amounts. How many trades are you taking? I guess is my question. Wow. I was shocked yesterday, so that brings up a good point. Um, Topstep's announcing some stats from the trading year 2023, and this shocked me. Hold on, let me find it. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. There we go. One of the traders on Topstep for 2023 made a whopping 100,823 trades in 1 year. That's like 400 trades a day, every day. Yeah, I just couldn't imagine taking all those trades. I mean, that's like if you're trading 8 hours a day straight, that's like 50 trades an hour. So it's like taking a trade every minute. So looks like it might be finished in the morning up about 216. We'll see. We still got like 10 minutes. Yeah. I don't know. They didn't give any other details. And remind me, JJR, what are you trading? NQ? And what's your what do you shoot for? How many points? I'm just curious. You don't need to answer my questions. I'm just curious. Yeah. Yeah. His accountant probably. Yeah. How you doing, R.W. Brown? Haven't seen you in a long time. Glad to see you're back. Hope the time off was enjoyable. Yeah, I don't. I mean, I buy market. I enter trades with a market order, but I don't. I usually set a target. Seems like if I try and use when I don't use a regular target, I end up like losing ticks when I try to exit. Nice move down there. It was a 11 and quarter point candle. As we pop back up a little bit out of that, though. "15-second chart. Wow. There's a 15-second chart. I don't think I can make decisions as fast. But that would be an entry right there. That would be an entry there. Could I make decisions that fast? I don't think so. It's definitely, you can see a lot of opportunity. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm not sure I could. Oftentimes I end up jumping in late on a 1 minute chart. So I'm here looking at this. This purple candle would be great, but I wouldn't know where I wanted to get out at. Right there, that's an awesome move. But yeah, that would probably rattle me. I kind of agree with that, JR, but I also think the fact that even on a 1 minute chart, if you miss one, there's another one around the corner. Now, it's even more true on a 15-second chart. And nobody's, just so you know, no one's judging you for whatever time frame you're using. I think a lot of us are surprised, but no one's judging. Just hard to fathom. Wow, Sid. Blue candle here. Should I take it? Should I? Should I? Yep. We're in. It shot up there by 4 points. Now pulling back on me. The stop. Both stops below that wick of that candle. Touching that band there. Pulls back on me. See, this is a horrible feeling for me. It was up like $170, and now I'm back to break even. This is a horrible feeling. Yeah, as Sid said, I should have moved the stop up. I could have moved it up to break even and then hoped it went. I didn't do that. Looks like I'm gonna get. Well, maybe. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. My mistake there was not taking it when it hit the band here. Hit that band, pulled back. And there's my stop. So we're gonna end down about $102. And that's okay. It might pop back up here. But yeah, I should have taken it. It went up 6 points. And look at that. Look at this bounce here. It wants me to get back in. Uh, uh, I think I need to stay in a trade. I need to stay in a trade, but that would have been a good point to just get out. But here it goes down. So it stopped me out at 54.75, went down another 6 ticks, and now back up. Look at that. Sid was right about maybe moving the stop more and getting in with a. Now, do I take this blue candle or not? I got a free reset coming. In with another 10-point stop. Got to 68 over here. Wasn't even thinking about the fact that we're playing with highs a day here. Actually, 68 was the high day, which we touched there. So we double topped 68. So that was also should have been a consideration. Uh, Phoenix video. My codes are all in the video description below. They're down there. But if you give me a minute to after I manage this trade, then I'll post here again. You're very welcome, ETC. I hope you become a part, a regular part of the community here. This hit 68 again. Can it break through? Yeah, I'm just not. That's not giving it enough room. I don't think. Nope. Stopped out on one. Oh, that's because they only moved one up. There we go. See if it runs or not. There we go. Uh, Phoenix. There's the code for the 50K Bulenox. Just posted by Nightbot. Boom. Here we go. Go 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 go. Okay, target hit. I think I got the other target. I gotta. Okay, I just hit exit. Yeah, there we go. So we are green. We're finishing the stream green by $84. Okay. Thank you, Sid. Okay, give me a second here. So here's my Topstep code. Copy link there. Paste. And the code for the discount is new year 2024. And the Bulenox. Copy link. code MOT50K for the 50K, or MOT100K for the 100K. There you go. Okay, that's it for us today. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back here Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time for another great week of trading. Like I said, have a great weekend, everybody, and we will talk to you next week. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.